It's a beautiful sunny day in Southern California, and today we are starting our patio remodel. Woohoo! So now that we Norman removed all of our plants in our current patio area, now we're at the nursery and we're looking for plants to replace it with. I'm trying to convince Norman to buy us a little chili. Look at how cool. See the little red chilies right there? He doesn't want to buy one. He loves when I make salsa. Why not just have a little chili tree, right? What do you say, Norm? No?
No.
Gonna keep trying. Look what we found. A cute little aloe vera plant.
But what do you got underneath? Show 'em. Gotta get the chips, flaming hot.
But first, chips. Clearly been demoted to assistant here. Okay, so we're also going to add another little border on this side because we do want to keep these succulents here, but we don't want it to interfere with the two plants and the rocks. We want to kind of keep it clean and off to the side. So Norman's measuring to see what place we're going to put down the divider. Got one down and one more to go. Alright, so now we just need to fill it in with dirt and then we're all set for tonight, and then we'll continue tomorrow.